So the name of the question is array modification. So we are given an array of n integers and we have to find the sum. So what is the sum? We will have to find the product of every integer in the array ai with any other aj. So let's see. So we have an array like this and we have different elements in it. So it is sorted, will sort it, or it will be sorted like this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this, like, no, we don't have it sorted, we'll have to sort it. So what we'll do, so we'll have two cases. So like this, so we can have two arrays. So like we have that array, this array, and we can have this array which don't have any negative integers. So if we don't have any negative integers, so what is the number that will give the maximum multiplication with 1? Of course it will be 5. For 2 it will also be 5 because it's the biggest number. But for 9, what will be the biggest number? So that will be 9 itself. And for 8, it will not be 5 because it is negative. So it will be 9 minus 9. So the main part of the question is we have to check if the first element of the array is negative or not. So let me copy the code. So we'll input the array and sort it. So we have to give it to modulus, so we'll use the modulo function. So here is a condition. So if the first element of the array is 0, we'll do this. But let's look at this. If the element is not 0 or not negative, so we'll just add the sum ai into a and minus 1. Like I've said, we'll just multiply it with the maximum number we have. So if this is not the case and the number is negative, so if the number is negative, then we'll multiply it with the negative number. So like in the first, we can't multiply 9 by itself, so we'll multiply it by minus 8 and minus 8 by minus 9. So if we had a number minus 7 here, so we'll multiply it with this. So as we can see in the code, so if the number is less than 0, we'll multiply it with a0, and if it is not less than 0, we'll multiply it with a of n minus 1. So that's all.